Caitlin Fawad, and I'm part of the Oxford Summer Institute camp, and it's been a really unique experience for so many reasons. Firstly, I got to experience Oxford at a different level because I got to see really every aspect of it, and I saw so many places that opened my eye to so much. And not only that, but the tutorials you have access to are really unique because the way you are educated is completely different. We're really small classes, so the one-on-one teaching approach is really nice, especially that we get to learn how to think, not what to think. And the way we get to the tutorials, like the way we study and like do our like applications and assessment is really unique because in the end we end up feeling so confident within ourselves. And as well as just the way we explore is really nice, and I just got so much insight from this trip.